day, viewers. My name is Nicolina Adunwa-Lajepo, the head of the Central Region of the NIC. The NIC simply stands for National Insurance Commission. Our mandate is to protect your interests as policyholders. Our mandate is to regulate the activities of all insurance companies in the country. Now, why are we in Central Region? We know there are lots of policyholders in the Central Region that might have issues with some policies they've taken with insurance companies. We arbitrate, therefore, and we seek to ensure that you are treated well when it comes to your insurance policies. In the Central Region here again, we have a lot of fake motor insurance cases. The insurance companies have no control over this, but it is our mandate to protect you as policyholders, and therefore the National Insurance Commission is here in the Central Region to take care of all these cases and to ensure that we weed out fake motor insurance operators. We would like to thank you, and we want you to know that we are here to meet your needs. We are very accessible. You can come to us at the UCC Credit Union Building Complex. Our services are completely free. You can reach us and call us anytime. Weekdays on 031 2293 808. 031 2293 808 or 0244 370 967. We will be doing series of programs with you. We'll take time to explain products of insurance to you and give you the benefits and the reason for which you need to do an insurance cover. Again, I would like to say in ending that looking at the situation we find ourselves in this pandemic that has plagued the whole world, we want you to stay safe. Our offices are open, but you can reach us on 0244 370 967 in case you have any insurance issue you want us to come. Thank you, and stay safe. Stay at home as much as possible. Wash your hands with soap and water. Use sanitizers. Teach your kids to also wash their hands daily, and eat well and sleep. Have enough rest as much as you can. Thank you. We'll see you sometime.